Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw 457(b) funds from Nationwide NetBenefits, detailed guide step by step clearly. To withdraw 457(b) funds from Nationwide NetBenefits, start by visiting the Nationwide NetBenefits website. Log into your account using your credentials. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one by clicking on the register option. Once logged in, navigate to the withdrawal section of your account dashboard. You will see options for different types of withdrawals. Select the type of withdrawal you would like to process. Review the eligibility requirements for withdrawals to ensure you qualify. Fill out the withdrawal request form with all necessary details. Indicate the amount you wish to withdraw. Select your preferred method of payment, such as direct deposit or a mail check. Provide any required documentation as prompted. Carefully review all the information you have entered to confirm its accuracy. Submit your withdrawal request. You should receive a confirmation screen indicating that your request has been submitted. Keep an eye on your email for any updates regarding the status of your withdrawal. If you encounter any issues or have questions, contact customer service for assistance. After processing, your funds will be available according to the selected payment method and timeline. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.